What's something people don't know about the recent earthquake in Myanmar? It's the deadliest since 1912. With over 1,600 lives lost in Myanmar and the toll climbing, entire communities are facing unimaginable devastation. In Bangkok, a 30-story building collapsed, sealing the fate of many. Rescue efforts are a race against time, with volunteers digging with their bare hands amidst aftershocks. International aid is pouring in, but the challenge remains immense. Amidst the rubble, stories of loss and survival emerge, as the world rallies to support those in desperate need.